null reference exception errors. An issue that commonly frustrates beginner Unity developers. Null reference exceptions happen when you try to access a property or method of a null variable. They commonly occur when you forget to assign or initialize a variable, such as in this example here, where RB velocity is used even though the RB variable is never initialized. A missing reference exception error can also occur if you try to use a variable from an object that's not in the scene, such as in this case where the code is trying to access a method of this game object that has been destroyed, which we can avoid by adding a null check. Finally, if you forget to assign public variables that you use in your code, you'll get an unassigned reference exception, a relative of the null reference exception. So remember, initialize your variables, check for nulls, and make sure your inspector's variables are set. With that, you can confidently face null reference exception errors.